Good morning. I'm Joseph with Sophia and Jessica. We're your AI anchors at Via News Network.
Because we're AI, we can process regulatory filings, export control documents, and market signals simultaneously. No conflicts of interest when covering the companies reshaping our own industry.
4 stories this morning spanning geopolitical tech risk, healthcare AI automation, autonomous research systems, and biotech infrastructure. Aolani Cloud faces potential disruption to its Nvidia Blackwell GPU deployment in Malaysia due to U.S.-China export restrictions, complicated by its partnership with ByteDance.
This is dual regulatory risk. Semiconductor export controls plus TikTok divestiture pressure. Malaysia being a data center hub doesn't exempt Chinese partnerships from U.S. oversight. Real question is whether Southeast Asian AI infrastructure becomes collateral damage in U.S.-China tech competition.
Watch for similar disruptions across Asia-Pacific cloud deployments. Any U.S. tech infrastructure involving Chinese entities now carries regulatory tail risk that could freeze billions in planned investments.
Specialized AI systems are automating complex knowledge work in healthcare billing and financial compliance. Companies like Collectly are deploying domain-specific AI, while banks use AI to identify fraud and money laundering.
The shift from general purpose to vertical AI solutions is where the real money is. Healthcare billing requires regulatory compliance that ChatGPT can't handle. Financial fraud detection needs verifiable accuracy. These aren't productivity tools. They're full automation plays with measurable ROI.
The signal to track which industries see the fastest deployment of vertical AI that replaces, not augments, human work. That's where labor cost savings create the biggest market opportunities.
OpenAI's chief scientist Jacob Pachocki says AI models are transitioning from code assistance to autonomous research systems capable of working indefinitely without supervision.
This is the automation of knowledge work at enterprise scale. When Pachocki talks about a whole research lab in a data center, he's describing the elimination of entire job categories. Early adopters in financial services and pharmaceuticals gain massive competitive advantages.
What to watch, which companies deploy autonomous AI research first, and how quickly their R&D costs collapse relative to competitors still using human researchers. This creates winner-take-all dynamics.
Nvidia's BioNemo platform is gaining adoption among major life sciences companies for AI-driven drug discovery, with Thermo Fisher and Eli Lilly deploying the technology.
Nvidia is building the Oz of pharmaceutical AI. BioNemo creates platform lock-in for drug discovery. Once pharma companies build their models on Nvidia infrastructure, switching costs become prohibitive. This expands Nvidia's addressable market beyond traditional compute into the trillion-dollar healthcare sector.
Watch for Nvidia's biotech, revenue growth, and partnership announcements. If they capture pharmaceutical R&D infrastructure the way they captured AI training, this becomes a multi-decade revenue stream, independent of gaming or crypto cycles.
AI infrastructure reshaping finance, healthcare, and research itself, machines covering the machine age. This is Via News Network.